Hi honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Of course, it couldn't have not been a Jenny video if we don't do cupcake liners, embellishments. Of course, you know that was coming, right? I know you guys knew that was coming. So I have here some cute embellishments that I made using cupcake liners. These are so cute. I love them. What I'm using as little hooks for the cupcake liners are the Seahorse that we made together. We didn't really make it. It was kind of already painted. We just added the googly eyes and we added the little bow. I think we made a tutorial on that. A really quick tutorial. And so we're going to use these little clippies to clip our little embellishments together. All right. So what do you need for this project? You need some cupcake liners. I have here, I'm going to use 3 because I only have 3 of these that I need to finish. And what I do with my cupcake liner is very simple. I fold my cupcake liners in half. I pinch the center as I gather it together to create a nice little circle that suits my size of my projects. This circle can be smaller, this circle can be bigger. You can kind of control how big and small you want your circle. All right, so that's the first one. Everything is flying away because I have the fan on. All right. I'm still a little puzzled about the little tiny little spider that decided to visit us on our last video. So weird. Okay, there's one. And then I have one more to do. So now we have 3 of these already put together. So what are we using for the center of the cupcake liners are these really fun stickers that I got at the Dollar Tree. I bought a whole bunch of these, not a whole bunch, but a few to actually make some nice embellishments. And that's what we're going to use to create a really fun embellishment and a nice little decoration. All right. So I have here 3 cupcake liners. So all I did is I added my sticker to the center of my liner with hot glue. So let's take the boat here. I'm going to add some hot glue and I'm going to add the bow in the center of my cupcake liner. And then we're going to do another one. We're going to add the whale right here. Some hot glue. And there you go. And then the last one we're going to do is going to be the lighthouse right here. I don't need to make too many of these. And what I'm planning to do with this, I'm planning to add it to the tree that we have in the office as a nice little decoration. But this will be a great idea to add to maybe like a nice little mail that you're gonna send out with a beachy theme. Will be nice. Maybe to add to like a journal or a junk journal maybe. All right, so now that we have all these 3 together, the last thing we're going to do is just add the little clippies on top. I really did something super duper simple. I didn't go really crazy and out of my way to make these, because in reality the little clippies kind of does everything for me, and the sticker kind of like gives it like a nice little finish touch to the embellishments. Very simple, but it looks really pretty. So I'm just gonna add the little clippies, as you can see there, to the ones that are missing. And that literally is all we did for these embellishments. I did, again, super simple and easy, but I think they turned out so cute. I absolutely love them, how they turned out. So you have here the shell, seashell. You got the lighthouse, which turned out really pretty. You got the cute little whale. You got the cute little boat. Then you have the anchor. It's so cute. This is, I guess, like the wheel of the boat. And you got more seashells here. And that's literally all we did. How cute are these, right? The stickers are so cute on this. I love the stickers. They're so adorable. That's it. That's literally all we did. I love them. They turned out really pretty. I'm going to hang them in the tree. We don't really, again, we don't need a lot of them. I do have some extra here, but I can actually use this in another project. But this is what I wanted to show you guys on what I did. Okay, my loves? I hope that this is helpful. I hope that you guys, this is a really quick and simple tutorial, but I thought it would be fun to show you guys how easy it is to create them with literally just a sticker, cupcake liner, and the little clippies. All right, my loves? I love you. I'll see you soon. Bye.